Hey friends, it's Boggs here from Boggs Family Ministries, coming to you from Richton, Mississippi. Please pardon any friendly bug noise around me. Can't control God's nature, but it's beautiful. I hope you're having a great day. We are in Richton, excited about tent revival next week at the Richton Recreational Park. And if you are within driving distance, please come join us for tent revival. We will be working alongside the First Assembly here in Richton, Mississippi, and Pastor Scott Morris. It was one of Dad's favorite places to set up the blue and white gospel tent. And because of Dad's wishes, they now have the blue and white gospel tent here, and it will be going up on Sunday evening. And the first service of revival begins on Monday, September the 15th. Pastor Tim Cauley from Moss Point, Mississippi, will be preaching Monday evening. Tuesday night, Brother Brent Gabbard, pastor of Bible Holiness Church in Elkton, Virginia, will be here preaching that night. And Wednesday, Pastor Scott Morris of the First Assembly here in Richton will be preaching. Thursday will be Pastor Kenny Morris of Ellisville, Mississippi. And Friday night will be the Isaacs joining us as the special guest. And we are so excited about this tent revival, praying for God to do great things. And Brother Scott is kind of doing this tent revival in honor of Dad, and we have people coming each night that were special to our family, so we are very excited about this revival. Some of our family from Ohio will be joining us, and like I said, we're very excited and thrilled and anxious and praying for God to do great things next week under the blue and white gospel tent. We would love to have you join us as well. Services will begin somewhere around 7 p.m. nightly. And if you come on Friday night, especially, you please bring your own chair. We have 200 of the black tent revival chairs. But with the Isaacs coming, I think we're going to have a large crowd. And so if you want to sit under the tent, we encourage you to get here early. But if you can't get here early, come anyway, and there'll be plenty of seats around the tent. Looks like the weather will be great next week. So we would love to have you in service with us. See you there.